Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to add a GoPro mount to the GoPro chest harness. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are wondering, how do you actually go ahead and connect your GoPro to the chest harness? So it's actually rather simple, guys. Now, the way it works is that this chest harness is able to unlatch from the side, just like this. And now I do this so just it's easier to actually access the mount itself. So you want to grab your GoPro, I'd say, mount. And what you want to do is that you actually want to flip this open. Okay, this is just a rubberized piece. And what this does is that it allows this to squeeze in the middle just like that now. So once this is flipped open, you simply just slide it in on either direction. I think it's, let's see, there you go. So you'll see now that it's actually inserted. So this kind of rubberized piece is just going to stay open just because you can't place it back down anymore. But it simply just slides down just like that after you flip open that rubberized piece. And then it locks into place, okay? So you do need to make sure that it's securely locked in so that it doesn't slide out. And then next, you're going to unscrew this part here and then grab your GoPro. All GoPro mounts tend to be universal. Grab this prong right over here and insert it between the mount, just like that. And go ahead and insert that screw pin back in. So it may take some adjusting for you to get the right angle and for it to be inserted into the holes. And there you go. So once you twist it back in, there you have it. You now have your GoPro inserted onto a GoPro mount on the GoPro chest harness. So now you could actually go ahead and use it just like that. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and attach your GoPro to your GoPro chest harness. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.